What's up everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing the October edition of the Simple Fishing RLM Elite Pike Box. Let's get into it. Simple Fishing is a tackle box subscription service that sends a brand new box to your house every 2 months. Whether you're into pike, bass, walleye, or a multi-species angler, they've got you covered. So head on over to simplefishing.ca and check out what they have, and stick around because at the end of this video I'm going to share how you can save 15%. So first up is the Dynamic Lures FX Fury Soft Swim Bait. It's 7 inches long. It's got a nice silver shine to it. I love the black on top. It's a great color combination for lots of different types of water, whether it be murky or sunny or cloudy out. You're not going to have trouble attracting the fish with this. It's got different slots on the tail, so it's going to give you that great action for attracting those big fish and hopefully land you a big pike. Up next is the Lucky Strike Live Series Sunfish. It's a 3-inch long bait. It weighs 1/4 ounce and it does have a weighted head. So you're going to get some nice feeding action if you kind of want to work it off the bottom. Or you have that swimming option, and it's going to be great for shallow water. It's going to get you down about 2 feet of water, and it's going to attract the fish with that lifelike look and that great action. Out of the box next, we have a Len Thompson Dimpled Series Spoon. This thing is going to be great for casting, trolling, jigging, whatever kind of action you want to work it. Len Thompson spoons usually do the trick. This one has a great color, the Raspberry Granite series. It's black, silver, and red. Some of my favorite patterns to work with. I think it's going to do really good, and I can't wait to get this one in the water. Up next is the Pro Point Fishing Lures Crunch Minnow Juvenile Trout. This thing looks great for a soft bait. I love the pattern on it, the 3D eyes. It looks like it's going to have some great action, a nice tail. I think it'll do some nice damage and attract the fish. Up next we have the X-Sight 4-inch Shad Nasty Chartreuse, and I love the color mixture on this thing. A little bit of blue and a little bit of chartreuse. That's going to make a great pattern in the water. I think it's going to attract the fish. It looks like it's going to have some great action, and this one should be a great one to try. Up next, out of the box, is a lure that I haven't actually seen before. This is the Moldum Pike Attack, and this thing looks deadly. Look at the action on that. I think with a snap swivel, you're going to be spinning like crazy. You got 2 treble hooks on there with some red tinsel and some white. This thing is going to attract fish. I need to get in a boat and start trolling this right away. Last but not least, out of the box, we have the Hydrolux Premium Copolymer line. This thing is a blue mist color. It's got some nice shine to it. 17-pound test, so you know it's going to be nice and strong to keep those pike on. It's got abrasion resistant, ties excellent knots, has minimal stretch, so it's going to be a good line to keep those pike biting and keep those pike on. That concludes the unboxing of the October edition of the RLM Elite Pike Box. If you want to head on over to simplefishing.ca and check out what's available, there are different options for you. Whether you're into bass, walleye, pike, multi-species, or maybe even you want to get on the ice, there is a special ice fishing box that will be available. It's a great gift idea for Christmas. It's just around the corner, so why not get your favorite angler a great subscription? They're going to get a brand new box every 2 months mailed right to your door. Best of all, if you want to save 15%, use promo code OutdoorDave at the checkout. I'll leave the link below, so make sure you head on over to simplefishing.ca, check out what they have, and you will not be disappointed.